lot of talk in the last few years of the potentially positive relationship between arts and business. A lot of talk that doesn't necessarily correspond to a deeper knowledge of what actually takes place when artists engage with business environments, and in particular with the factory environment. With the research project Art and Business, we tried to put into practice these discourses of the relationship between artistic work and industrial work. We, the two Venetian universities, Ca Foscari and Iuav, we organized artistic residencies in business environments. So we put in contact artists and entrepreneurs, but we also tried to look at this relationship in a critical way by adding the vision and the analysis of researchers from the management and the artistic environment. And what we came up with is the idea that art and business can talk, but their talking needs to be mediated. A new language has to be constructed in order to build bridges between the two environments.